Hello, my name is Leida Rizo. This is presentation is for course of English. The tags let you tell about future plans for the UNAT. The tutor is Laura Alejandra Salamanca Rodriguez. The group is 620. In this presentation, I am going to talk about my expectation for the future and the goals I have achieved. Okay. I am systems engineering student in the National Open and Distance University in the UNAT. I am seventh semester. I have managed to get a job in a telemarketing agent in the telecommunications company. I have a team for study work of Java. Upon completion, I will obtain the labor certification. I am preparing to start working in my area as a software developer. I have my own space to live because I became independent and I live alone. Oh, here you can see the programming team. This is me. Okay, within my 5 years goals, my main objective is to finish my professional career. This is my closest goal. I will be preparing to start within this time frame as a backend development professional. I want work remotely or work or get a work visa. I just aspire to work in another countries. Finally, at the end of the year, I will be starting work as a developer, working to start as a junior engineer, database management, or software development direct. So I want to travel. I will have won the countries in Europe thanks to my beautiful work. And additionally, I will be able to travel the Norway and Sweden. And I will get to know the Nordic cultures. I am going to learning different language. The idea of communicating with people from different cultures excites me. Okay. In the future, I will be an expert full stack developer. My work will allow to me continue expanding my knowledge. I will have my own house and I will live with my partner. My partner is he. Your name is Mateo. And I will be adopting two cats that are my favorite pets. I will be a polyglot passionate about cultures and traveling. I will always have a healthy lifestyle, practicing sports such as cycling or hiking. Additional, I like workout. I I will practice my hobbies such as reading and taking photos of landscapes, animals, or other moments is good for capture with the camera. Okay, to end, I aspired in work in important companies such as Google, Facebook, Microsoft, or another. And I will be participating in important projects that are going to be important in the futures. In conclusion, I identify the importance of the progressive or continuous future to express my expectation for the future and express my ideas for the future. It is all. Thanks.